First responders continue to put themselves on the line for your safety, and we're just learning 2 members of the Hillsborough County Fire Rescue team tested positive for COVID-19. ABC Action News reporter Michael Paluska filing this report earlier this evening, finding out why that number could change by tomorrow.
I don't want to say that any of us necessarily knew that we'd be dealing with a pandemic.
Jason Doherty, Deputy Chief of Operations for Hillsborough County Fire Rescue, tells us 48 firefighters are currently under quarantine.
When they're quarantined or isolated, it's due to a direct call, a direct exposure, where we know we have a COVID-19 individual. Our folks either were unable to don their PPE or did not have the PPE on based on the nature of the call.
There are more than 1,000 fire rescue personnel in Hillsborough County keeping the community safe. Doherty says the numbers are manageable now. Yesterday, there were 63 people in quarantine. That dropped to 48 today, but it will fluctuate, and keeping it down will depend heavily on the public's help.
Please be honest with the signs and symptoms they're having. That gives our firefighters the best opportunity to protect themselves from the virus. Regardless, we're going to absolutely take care of any individual who calls 911, but it's very important if they tell us the signs and symptoms so my folks can be better prepared to treat the patients.
Stations are conducting health checks twice a day for staff, and they are sanitizing equipment after each call. Doherty says they have enough masks and PPE in the short term, but not when the outbreak is expected to peak in early May.
They understand the challenge that we have set forth, but they're doing a tremendous job. They're doing an outstanding job. I couldn't be more proud of what our folks are doing.
In Tampa, Michael Paluska, ABC Action News.